Welcome back, and big breaking news coming in when it comes to the poll bonds controversy, where Prime Minister Modi, in that exclusive interview to ANI, has now in a way defended the entire poll bonds row, ladies and gentlemen. Prime Minister Modi, in that exclusive interview to ANI, has said that due to electoral bonds, you are getting the trail of money, is what Prime Minister Modi has said in that exclusive interview to ANI. He has said which company gave it, how did they give it, where did they give it, and that is why when I say if the opposition will think honestly, everyone will regret it, referring to the Supreme Court decision which scrapped the electoral bonds. Prime Minister Modi over there defending the entire poll bonds row. Remember, the Congress party at the same time, ladies and gentlemen, has said that it will, if elected to power, it will investigate the entire poll bonds issue because Supreme Court called it unconstitutional. But Prime Minister Modi has said that there is an entire money trail behind electoral bonds and the opposition will regret its decision opposing it. Let's listen.
आपका लक्ष्य नहीं है, 2047 है, तो 2047 तक क्या कुछ होने वाला है?
गति भी बढ़ानी है और स्केल भी बढ़ाना है। देश के सामने एक अवसर है कि एक कांग्रेस सरकार का मॉडल और एक बीजेपी सरकार का मॉडल, उनका 5-6 दशक का काम और मेरा सिर्फ 10 साल का काम।
इलेक्टोरल बॉन्ड्स के बारे में राहुल गांधी जो है वो हर भाषण में कहते हैं और विपक्ष के नेता भी कहते हैं कि इसमें धांधली हुई है। कि
इलेक्टोरल बॉन्ड थे तो आपको ट्रेल मिल रहा है मनी का कि किस कंपनी ने दिया, कैसे दिया, कहां दिया, और इसलिए मैं कहता हूं सब लोग पछताएंगे जब बाद में ईमानदारी से सोचेंगे, सब लोग पछताएंगे।
इलॉन मस्क भारत आने वाले हैं, उन्होंने कहा था वो आपके प्रशंसक हैं, इज अ फैन ऑफ योर्स। क्या हम भारत में टेस्ला कार, स्टारलिंक ये सब देखेंगे?
एलन मस्क मोदी के प्रशंसक है, वो अपनी जगह पे है, मूलतः वो भारत के प्रशंसक है।
Have we come to this situation जहां पे पहले होते थे, बोला जाता था कि इंदिरा इज इंडिया, इंडिया इज इंदिरा, और अब है मोदी इज भारत, भारत इज मोदी। क्या उस लेवल पर पहुंच गए हैं?
ऐसा है कि देश ये कहता है और जो मैं खुद भी फील करता हूं कि ये मां भारती का बेटा है।
Of Prime Minister Modi's exclusive interview to ANI, ladies and gentlemen, on the poll bonds controversy. Prime Minister Modi defending the entire infrastructure of the poll bonds, saying that it left a money trail. He has said, and I quote, due to electoral bonds, you are getting the trail of the money. Which company gave it? How did they give it? Where did they give it? And that is why I say when they, referring to the opposition, will think honestly, everyone will regret it, even referring to the Supreme Court decision to scrap electoral bonds. He says that there is a massive money trail when it comes to who has given money to which party, and that has brought transparency when it comes to the funding of politics. But the opposition has called it corrupt. In fact, Jairam Ramesh of the Congress party has tweeted, and I quote, the electoral bond money trail is entirely because of the Supreme Court, which is now being threatened. The Prime Minister is as usual lying since he got SBI to resist the full disclosure till the last minute, is the pitch coming in from the Congress camp, sticking to its guns, saying that the entire electoral bond scheme is a complete scam, even saying that if elected to power, the Congress party will investigate the entire controversy, the entire poll bonds infrastructure. I'm joined by my colleague Aman Sharma on the broadcast. Aman, so Prime Minister Modi backing the entire infrastructure, saying that there was a money trail in place, there was an anonymity factor when it came to donors, because no corporate house, no donor wanted to be targeted politically for supporting a particular party, but the Congress party sticking to its guns, saying that this is an entirely corrupt scheme and they will investigate it if voted to power.
Well, yes, Ayushman, Chief See, the Prime Minister is very clear when he was about the electoral bonds, and as you all know, the Supreme Court struck down the electoral bond scheme as unconstitutional, and since then the scheme has stopped and all the details were revealed by the SBI on Supreme Court's orders on who had given these donations and to which party. The Prime Minister clearly saying that, which is also the idea of the government, to bring the electoral bond scheme, to bring in transparency, to bring in the fact that one could ascertain that, with KYC norms, the only white money was given to the political parties. The black money which was given in cash earlier to political parties, that practice gets stopped. So the Prime Minister also very clearly saying that due to electoral bonds, you're getting the trail of the money now. You know which company gave it, how did they give it, where did they give it. And he said that is why when everybody will think honestly, including the opposition, everyone will regret it, that the decision which has scrapped the electoral bonds. And it is also interesting to see what alternative mechanism the government will now bring in its next term, whichever government comes to power, on bringing the decision. Because right now, as the senior leaders of the BJP have been saying, that the era will go back to cash donations when nothing can be tracked, and that is the reason that the BJP had to bring this electoral bond scheme. Yes, some leaders have said that there was scope for improvement in the scheme, but the Supreme Court was very clear that the right of people to know is greater than the right of the schemes, the right of corporates to hold on to their anonymity, and that is why the scheme was scrapped. But earlier we have seen Mr. Amit Shah at a News 18 function, and now the Prime Minister also reiterating the same, that this scheme was brought to ensure that KYC white money is distributed, is donated to political parties. You can get a trail of the money, and that is why even the Home Minister had earlier said, and now the Prime Minister is saying that if the opposition will think honestly, everybody will regret the decision by the Supreme Court to scrap the electoral bond scheme.
Absolutely, and I'm joined by Payal Mehta on the broadcast as well. Payal, so when it comes to the elections which are just around the corner, decode the resonance of this matter on the ground, because it's not a slam dunk case coming in from the opposition against the Modi government, because the Congress, DMK and other parties too were recipients of money via electoral bonds.
Well, that's exactly what the Prime Minister said in an earlier interview also to a Tamil channel, essentially saying that all those people who are giggling and feeling happy at the fact that, the money is out and the money trail is out, they need to worry more, because, the BJP is the world's largest party. They contest elections in every nook and corner. They contest elections in every state possible, and they have governments in every state as well. What is justification, for example, the kind of money that has been gotten in through these bonds by parties like the DMK or the TMC? That's the question, of course, the BJP has been asking. So there's no point of rejoicing over the entire fact. The Prime Minister earlier had also said that, the electoral bonds were brought in as a way in which, white money could be circulated, and in a way, black money and cash transactions could have been really stopped. But it seems that the opposition parties are rejoicing because they would have wanted the money, and they had money coming all along, unaccounted money coming all along to their party accounts, and nobody really knew how much money was really coming in. And I remember very clearly that the Prime Minister earlier then had also said that in the Congress leadership, for example, if there was a 1 rupee which was got, then probably 80% of that money was taken away by leaders to their home, and only 10 or 20% party was getting that money. So that's something which the Prime Minister highlighted upon. He said about the fact that there is no point of rejoicing. Black money was the way in which to curb. Black money was curbed in a big way by the electoral bonds that were brought in. So obviously, now that the data is out, people of the country have the right to know that which corporate is giving money to whom, and most importantly, for what reason, and what is the money being used for. That also needs to be told to the people of the country, because the public है सब जानती है. That's actually what the Prime Minister's sense has been.
Right.